10 on the pump. 313. Made it out here in the wild with it. Y'all check it out. All black combo, y'all. The bike looks sick with the black and purple. And you can see, man, she sounds good, ready to rip. Stock still on the 4 mil. Bike should be a runner. Today, we're building a bike for an NFL player. The frame just came in and it's not in bad shape. Besides, you know, getting shipping, you're gonna get stuff like this happen where the tabs get bent. Got a bent tab right here. A lot of times people cut these off because this is where the fender mounts. So we'll get that fixed. I don't want to skip out on anything, but y'all look at the bling. I mean, brand new T5s. Boom! It doesn't get fresher than that. Yamaha Banshee cases out the box. Look at that finish. No hiding, brand new. Let's go. That's what we're working with. I'll take that any day as an engine builder. I don't want to discourage anybody to build one or is building one. These definitely were some of the more expensive pieces to the build, but they're really important to how the machine functions and the actual performance of it. So just these parts right here, cases, electrical components, and the frame were several thousands of dollars. Several thousands. I'm glad to have the opportunity to do this. We're gonna put our own twist to it. Y'all enjoy the video. We're gonna start the time lapse of us working on the pieces as we go. Now it's time to do our thing, man. Let's get it.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly?
We are wrapping up the final pieces that are getting powder coated. A ton of prep time going into taping, masking, plugging, and making sure we have the surfaces that are important to mask off done correctly. These are where the cylinders sit, so we gotta make sure that we don't have any powder on these finished surfaces. And we have Jockey J over here getting the bumper wiped off. That way we can have the teeth and the bumper 2 different colors. Looking good so far. Takes a lot of time, huh? Yeah. A lot of time, a lot of effort. And you gotta have the right tools. Hopefully everything will come out perfect. Like I said, a ton of time goes into prepping this stuff and making sure it's done right.
Is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me, with someone disappointed in you.
This is a 2000 model Yamaha Banshee frame titled the very last piece that we have to powder coat. We had to get this frame shipped down all the way from Oregon to Louisiana. We just finished powder coating all the rest of the pieces. Check this out. Tell me this isn't one of the best powder coated parts tables you've ever seen for a four-wheeler, guys. We're super excited, really happy with how these colors came out. We went with the purple wheels. Y'all, we wanted that purple to hit. We mixed it in with a lot of black, honestly, but a lot of the black pieces that we did on this bike are gonna be kind of, you know, small pieces, but we did, you know, some big pieces like the A-arms, the swing arm. And so guys, to tie everything together, you gotta have a clean motor. All black motor on this bike. So right here, guys, we got brand new OEM cases straight out the box. Nothing has ever been bolted to them. You can see the bearing journals and machine. Just put these studs in. Performance-wise, we already ported the sides. So guys, all this was done, taped, masked, sandblasted, ported, and then done gloss black. Pretty much all this is engine components to build the engine completely from scratch. There's not a bolt or nut on this engine that's gonna be used before. Everything is brand new. Bling bling, son. Brand new pistons, yes sir. All right, you see all the Yamaha stickers. I mean, this is on everything. So it just goes to show, like, this is all brand new pieces. Every piece of this bike was bought separately. Like we weren't able to, like, you see, like the frame was bought and then every piece to the bike. This is probably the most expensive and hardest way to build a bike, is to start completely from scratch, like having no bike to take down and rebuild. And the Banshee guys are gonna love this. So guys, that frame is 25 years old. These three pieces in particular are some of the hardest to find, in good shape, and really hard to find brand new, and they're really expensive. So you guys can appreciate this. Brand new OEM flywheel. We have a brand new OEM stator, and we have a brand new OEM CDI box and an OEM coil. Yeah, so these are pieces that make the engine and the bike perform how it's supposed to be. Good parts to have on the engine. So y'all, we're getting closer to it. So we're gonna start putting powder on the frame, and I'm gonna put this engine together. Next thing to do will be assemble the bike. So let's do it. Black to me, all black. Y'all, this frame came out so sick, man. So this underglow is going to really set this thing off. We want the lights to shine on the wheels and a little bit further out. We're gonna run them on the plastics. The only problem with that is when you run on the plastics, if you go take the plastics off, you got to deal with all these wires. So what we'll do is we'll make a quick disconnect on all the wires. That way, if he ever wants to take off his plastics, he's able to do that without having to rip off all his underglows. We'll get the underglow hooked up. We're just running all the wires now that we have the bare frame first. And after that, we're gonna start the assembly. Here we go. First look at it with the motor installed, and we just installed the exhaust system, all chrome T5s. Y'all, we haven't ran T5s on a build since our very first Banshee, so hard to beat the sound of the T5s. Probably my favorite piece on the build is these shocks. It came out great, and really, it's just so hard to beat the all black and purple look on this bike, y'all. So guys, brand new motor. You know it's gonna have some power, and you know we gotta have some brand spanking new Electron fuel systems. The only carburetor that we run. Electron always hooks it up. Got the hat from Electron, shirt from Electron, but the real goodies are right here, y'all. You've never seen a set of carburetors like this before, because I don't think I have. I definitely haven't seen two of them for a Banshee. The 29 Billitrons, and we got them anodized purple to match the build. That right there matches. Dang, Skittle. Custom, perfect. We got two of them though. A lot of people run the 2 into 1 carburetor, y'all. I don't know why. You gotta be making power. You need 2 carburetors on a Banshee. Got 2 cylinders. Bang. With the see-through bowls, man. But these are just crazy. Yes, sir. Yo, Electron pretty much just, we tell them what we're running and they set them up for us. We'll put them on there. First look. First look at them on the engine right here. That's a $700 flywheel right there. So, yeah, I taped it up. The head, expensive head, so we taped everything up, taped the frame up, so I didn't hit anything while I slid the motor in the frame. So, everything's good. What we thinking? What we thinking? Give a close up of that wheel. Ooh. Oh yeah, we live. Purple and black, we live. Carburetor's on. Got them all snappy.
Oh, bro.
It might be idled real high, but we're gonna put it on the ground. We're gonna find out, guys. Man, that feeling of when you build the entire motor, the entire chassis. First startup. All right, here we go. First time on the ground. 3, 2. How's she looking?
Definitely sporty looking.
Here we go. Brand new build. First time on the ground, new shoes, new pipes, new motor, new chassis, new every bolt. First startup, first test fire. Full mill stock cylinder with them brand new Electrons, brand new T5s. Underglow banging. Here we go. Does it get any better than this?
Dude, look at the frame on the camera, Jesus.
Here we go, first fill up. Let's go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the sound of a Banshee.
Bro, look at the fuel.
That car's pinging, son. Yes, Lord. Probably got like a little bit more pop to him, huh? Like tick, 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 tick.
Yeah, it's like a higher.
Ooh. Yeah, that baby looks good. All right, check out the dang. No, you gotta get up in there. Show them the gas cap. Oh, you can see the sparkles a little bit. I think we're gonna run this one. All right, baby, look at that gas tank cover. Chee. So Banshee taco with the carbon. Dude's got, I don't know what he puts on this, like a clear coat or whatever, but it's slick. So that's the chopped carbon look, and then we got the carbon also. We didn't know which one we were gonna go with. So,
Left or right?
Bro, I don't know.
I think if we're
I
going,
think on this one.
I think if we're going for the more classy one, we go with the left.
I don't know if the camera does any justice right now, but
Yeah, no,
I do like the carbon.
Bro,
I can't lie.
in the
but
daytime, it's gonna.
the carbon does hit hard, but this is fire. I'm about to turn down that idle a good bit, huh?
Yeah.
And Jordan's gonna have to align the tires.
Oh, jeez. Cockeyed engineer here.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Made it out here in the wild with the Banshee. We're doing a little bit of test runs, making sure everything is good with it, going through the gears. The T5s are hidden. We got the 29 purple Billitrons from Lectron. Y'all, these things are so crispy. 4mm stock cylinder. Telling you guys, this bike is a runner, ready to hit the road, heading to Chicago. First day out, let's go.
Just better get ready. Y'all counted us out. Come on now. While we was counting down, whoever was scared, I'm talking about whoever was scared when he went to the Fed, go on make your bed. You hear me? Cause the biggest is back. Now come on now, son. You walk that walk and you talk that gangster shit, man. And you tell them people what I be telling you. Go in that booth and rip that bitch.
Pussy nigga, brr. Hey, FDO, FTL, first day out, bitch. Fuck the feds, walked out the jail. I saw 6 phones. I just got out the bunk bed, 3 million cash. Can't fit in my hand, then sit some on my head. Babe, come put that on me, bitch. I'm fresh from out the feds. I say fresh from out the feds, baby. Come put that on me. Turned this fuck in the script club, ran out of one, start throwing hundreds. Nigga, I can't fumble shit. The whole world been waiting on it. Took that knife all the way to R&D, gave it to my little homie. Nigga, ain't no more Mufasa, Mr. Goldman. I catch just the Johnny. Ain't no more outfits from Southland Mall. They set up made in London. Couple hoes jumped off my bed, majority waited on me. She just acting faithful to you till I get home. Trust me, homie, feeling patient. I might do a demonstration off GP.
Well, guys, we're in Chicago. We just dropped the bike off. For a few different reasons, we were asked not to film the delivery. So I know you guys were really looking forward to seeing his reaction. I mean, the bike came out awesome. Y'all, we pulled it out the trailer. It started first kick, 40-degree weather. It was great. But I think he enjoyed it, and that's what matters. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're posting a bunch of details that didn't make it in the YouTube video about the bike on our Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to see that, check us out on those 2 platforms. So with that being said, y'all, let us know your favorite part of the build. Comment your merch size down below. We're going to pick 2 of y'all within the next couple of days to send some merch to for free. If you want to make sure you get some merch, go to scootinskittle.com, check it out. Thank you for the opportunity. Man, we really appreciate it. Hopefully we can do some riding with you soon. Building this bike was a movie. From New Orleans to Chicago, building it from scratch. Scootin' Skittle, man, we out.